The Archimedes principle. Interactive calculator solves a fundamental engineering problem, determining buoyancy forces and flotation conditions for objects in fluids. Whether you're designing marine vessels, submersible equipment, or analyzing flotation systems, this tool quickly calculates the critical parameters you need for buoyancy analysis. Let's examine the calculator's inputs. First, you'll see the calculation mode drop-down menu, which offers 6 options: calculate buoyant force, calculate displaced volume, calculate fluid density, calculate float, charge, sink condition, calculate submerged fraction, and calculate required ballast mass. For our demonstration, we'll select calculate buoyant force. Below that, you'll find 8 input fields: fluid density in kilograms per cubic meter, displaced volume in cubic meters, buoyant force in newtons, object mass in kilograms, object total volume in cubic meters, object density in kilograms per cubic meter, target submerged fraction as a value between 0 and 1, and gravitational acceleration in meters per second squared. Let's work through an example. We're analyzing a steel pontoon in seawater. Enter 1025 for fluid density, that's seawater. For displaced volume, enter 2.5 cubic meters. Leave buoyant force blank since we're calculating it. The calculator instantly shows 25,112.5 newtons of buoyant force. The results display includes buoyant force, displaced volume, fluid density, object weight, net force, and condition, which tells you whether the object floats or sinks. These outputs help you verify stability and determine if additional ballast or flotation is needed. Here's a critical insight. Always verify your fluid density matches actual conditions. Fresh water versus seawater can mean a 3% difference in buoyancy. Find the link in the description below.